Many of us have to deal with a daily thing that we always have to, which is cables. No matter what, if you use it for charge your cell phone or to bring your mouse with the wire with you to charge as well. In my case right here, I always use my my charger for my iPhone, and cables always going to be look like this. You can roll as much as you want to try not tangle, but no matter what, you will have to deal with the tangle cables. Even with your watch, you have to deal with these cables. No matter where you're going, you have to carry with you to charge, to traveling. So, and sometimes we carry things in a bag like this. Like I carry my stuff in a bag when I travel, and I have like a cables like for my mouse, which you already can see that's absolutely a mess. Tangle already. H3 is a good cable, by the way. And when you put over here, you know, you got all those cables. This is usually cables that I use, USB-C to USB-A. So right here, and also from the phone as well here for lighting cable. So no matter what, those things always going to happen. You're always going to have a messy cables no matter where you're going. But we have a company that reached us and to do a review and take a look on their cables, which is from Magtame, which is a magnet charging cable. Is basically untangle. No, it doesn't tangle at all. So we're gonna go ahead in this video and take a look to how it looks this cable compared to other cables that I use it. So let's go ahead and take a look at those Magtame cables right after this. Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Rodrigo, and in this channel we do tech reviews, things about also related to streamers, also for iPhones and cell phones. And today we bring in the cables that actually could change your life with the type of cables that I'm about to show you as well. If you like this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more contents like this as well on our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notifications when next video is coming out as well. So let's go ahead and take a look on the cables that we just got from Magtame, which is magnets. Let's take a look. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the cables. We got those two cables sent to us. Basically, one here is a type C, which is the type C is more like a flat cable type. Cable is a flat. You're gonna take a look how it is. We got the USB-C to USB-C, 60 watts, 1.5 meters in blue. And then we also got here the type O, which is a round cable, which is more common to everybody does know this. This is type C, A to C. So also 1.5 meters, and this is in black and gray. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're gonna be open to see how these cables look like. We're gonna open the type C first, which is the flat one. Just take a look how it's look like. And let me put the box right there. Wow, it does look really nice. It's very heavy cable. By the texture of this cable, I can tell that it's a very great quality. And also here at the end is really good. Like all the quality is there. And look at this. This is what is they put it in. It tangle by yourself, so it means that, look at this, goes, and then when you want to put it back, you basically round yourself there, and it does. And you can also change the shape of the cable as well. Look, it's really well organized. It feels very premium. You can actually, if you wanted to change the shape to a little bit more round, more you know, smaller or bigger, you can do as well. But I can tell right now the quality is great. Very great quality, very well done, looks really nice. And yeah, it's pretty well. Look, if you're ever traveling with this anywhere, you know, this is really going to help a lot of the organization of your cable. And this one here is a flat one. It's a flat one, so I really like this one here for sure. You see, you can, if you roll, it does go back there. It's pretty nice. Very nice cable. I think this is a must-thing for every single one. So this is the blue one, type C. This is USB-C to USB-C, 60 volts. That's what we got here. And also we got type O, which is more round type of cable. This is in black and in gray. Go ahead and open up. This is type A to type C. Most people are gonna use that as well for I don't know, for a cell phone as well. You can use that to use with your charger. This one is round. This is really nice though. This is really nice. This is 1.5 meter. Very nice quality right here on the end. Very nice quality and sturdy. I can tell that it's really good quality right here as well. The cable feels a little bit heavy, so this is good thing. This is good because you will last very long as well. Look at this. It looks really nice. And now, like I say, the cable look like this, but when you need to put it back, you just roll like that. It should hang itself and stay like this, bro. It just stays like this and doesn't go nowhere. You can actually make the roll a little bit smaller as well. They have a magnet and on the around the cables, so you can make sure it's all together like that, so it doesn't go nowhere. It's pretty nice and neat. I like the cable. The cable is really nice. It does give you so much organization with cables like this. Like by yourself, you look at like this, you put in, I'm trying to organize here as well, but look, you run and roll the way you want it. It does stay, you know, you don't have to like make this like this, but it does organize your cable, and when you put in your bags, it's pretty good though. Another thing I want to show is cables like this that I use it. This is also USB-C to USB-C, just like this one here. No matter what, some cables you have, you do have some cables that come with this, with that you can open up, put it in, you know. But the problem of these cables is they are not magnetic, so they not stay together unless if you put this here, and it's not really the best solution if you wanted to use this all the time. So with this here, that's nothing. Look, compare with the size. This is probably, I don't know if it's the same length of that. If you know, it's very close. But look how many space can you save it if you put in a small bag or something. It's a lot more less space. And this is USB-C to USB-C as well. This one is the same thing. This is more a thick cable. This is probably AK 240 volts that I have. It's a very thick cable, a very good cable as well. But they also have on the side the same kind of cable, 240 AK, is a 3-in-1, is also there listed on. I'm gonna show you on the next slide as well what the models and types they actually have. This is really nice. They come out with something like this. So as you can see, those two cables are pretty well done and very great quality that will last longer. So let's go ahead and take a look now to the features of those cables and the type of cables that you can find on the website of Magtame. So the major feature of those cables is definitely the way they are structured. They fold and organize in seconds because of the magnet they have around the cable. So it's a quick to storage and it's a very tangle free as well cable. Also have a 3A fast charging and data transfer. They are very durable, stable, and secure, which I can really tell while we were unboxing these cables. And also it's perfect compatible with all the devices that you need to use with that. They also have offer cables that's 2.0 USB. All the cables are 2.1 USB, so the data transfer is up to 480 megabytes per second. But they also have a cables that could be up to 20 gigabytes per second, which is the AK and 240 watts as well. They provide that on the website. So also they have two different types, which is type O, in type C. Type C is a flat cable, and the type O is more a round kind of cable. So they have they offer those two types as well on the website. With so many types of cables and also type of different cables that this company Magtame does offer on the website, I always suggested to go probably to the 240 watts, because not only you can use that cable to charge your Mac or something that requires a 240 volts, but also can draw less if you need it for a cell phone or something else. So that's definitely is one of my tips, to get the 240 volts on the website, so you can actually use that cable for multi-purpose as well. But you can also have those as well, 60 watts for your cell phone, because you know it's always good to have an extra cable for everything else. So talk about prices of those cables. There are very different types of cables there. They are very different lengths and very different watts as well. So depending on which cable you're getting, the prices go from $24.99 all the way to $59.99. Of course, sometimes they have discounts on the website as well. And we are linking also the website in our description below. And also we have a 10% as well code that also is going to be on the description below if you wanted to get one of those cables for yourself. So yeah, no more messing cables anymore. I mean, those things are great, but if you have something like this that you can actually get it not only for the quality but also for the organization from your traveling or for your everyday, this is definitely a great option that Magtame release and have to ourselves that need cable in your labs anyway. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. I hope this video was very helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.